Hey guys, today I will show you how you can transfer money from Bovada to your Cash App. So first what you need to do is open your Cash App and tap on the home option. From here, click on your balance at the bottom and it will bring you to a new page. Now select the Bitcoin tile to view the Bitcoin in your account. Scroll down until you see your Bitcoin address. Tap on it, then hit copy so you can use it later. Next, open the Bovada website and log into your account. Once you're in, click on your balance at the top. A pop-up will appear where you need to choose the withdraw option. Enter the amount you want to withdraw in the box provided. Here you'll also see the withdrawal limits and any fees applied. Once you've entered the amount, click next. Now paste the Bitcoin address you copied from Cash App into the address field and tap on request withdrawal. Bovada will send a verification code to your registered phone number. Enter that code, click continue, and your request will be submitted. Within 2 to 3 business days, the Bitcoin should arrive in your Cash App. From there, you can either convert it to dollars or keep it as Bitcoin. Thanks for watching.